Welcome back to another PRISMA3D tutorial. Today, we're checking out a really handy feature, the Detach Tool. This tool lets you break off parts of your mesh and gives you more control when it comes to styling, texturing, and customization. It's super useful when you want to apply different colors or textures to specific parts of a model. For example, you can make car windows look like glass, or create panels with different material. You can even use it to design clothing details for, like shirts, sleeves, or armor, by detaching body parts and applying new textures. Here's how to use the Detach tool. First, enter Edit mode. Switch to Face selection. Now tap on the face you want to detach. You'll see an icon that says Detach. Tap it, and that's it. The face is now separated. You can apply a new texture, material, or color to that part. This gives you way more flexibility when designing complex models. Hope this helped. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.